Anytime now. And the races on, they leap in unison away from the gate. Bondi Junction is the early leader. Racing on the outside is Podolski. King Eagle is running by the Dragon May. In between runners is Overwhelmed. Alongside is entry number 5, and this one is Billy the Kid. And inside the last 900, Podolski by a neck, followed by Bondi Junction by Drell. And racing in third by above 4 lengths, King Eagle, Dragon May, Overwhelmed, Lambing Pinay, and on the outside is Vermont, while Billy the Kid is now the tail ender. And inside the last 500, Podolski, Bondi Junction, King Eagle, racing on the outside, Dragon May, Lambing Pinay is running by Drell. As they race the last 350, it's now King Eagle, like an eagle, is spreading its wings in full flight, swooping on its opponent, this time by about 5 lengths. Dragon May in second, and finally King Eagle. Well trained Tito Alvarez, Dragon May, Overwhelmed, Bondi Junction, Vermont.